How to fix Oculus Link black screen or not working. To fix Oculus Link black screen or not working, try 1. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Adjust the resolution. Run the Oculus debug tool.exe at c:/program files /oculus /open support /oculus diagnostics. Set 2784 to encode resolution width. 3. Disable all in-game overlay related settings. 4. Opt out of public test channel. Path, Settings Beta tab. 5. Use the dedicated graphics card. 6. Repair your system files via SFC and DISM command, admin mode.